Hi guys, today I'm drawing the Disney Ariel with real bacon. Watch till the end for her final look. First, I'm doing a pencil draft of her face. Then I'll draw her a cute button nose. And then her lips. Ariel is always smiling. She is such a cheerful character and I love her energy. Then I'm using some rough lines to draft the structure of her body. After that, I'm grabbing the bacons. The bacons actually look so much like ham when they are not cooked. Instead of drawing, I'm actually building Ariel's hair. Then it's time to add watercolor to her face. Then I'm adding red color to make her cheeks cute. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like this idea, feel free to share with someone who may also like this.